And they called it puppy love. Oh, I guess they'll never know how a young heart really feels, and why I love her so. And they called it puppy love just because we're 17. Tell them all it, please tell them it isn't fair to take away my only dream. I cry each night my tears for you. My tears are all in vain. Oh, and I'll pray that maybe someday you'll be back in my arms once again. Someone help me, help me, help me, please. Is the answer up above? How can I tell them this is not a puppy love? Someone help me, help me, help me, please. Is the answer up above? How can I ever tell them this is not a puppy love?